Hey everyone, in this video we'll be showing you how to make a poll on Instagram on iPhone. So, open up Instagram, and once you're on the home page, tap on your story and take a photo. Once you've done that, tap on the sticker icon, which is the fourth one from the left, and go to the one that says poll, and then ask your question. Position it wherever you want, and then tap your story. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please leave us a like, comment if you have any more questions, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this in the future. Bye!